This is about installing the Siebel database for IP17. We're assuming a fresh installation, so there's an Oracle database on our machines. You see that we are browsing the grantusr.sql file. The file is quite okay to run, but we prepare some helpers here, and running the file without editing is supported, so you just are prompted for any table spaces, etc. So as we start preparing and running the file here in SQL+, you notice in the background you see the table spaces view of Enterprise Manager. There are two table spaces already created for the Siebel database, one for data, one for index. And you see that you are prompted for any passwords for the table owner, usernames, table spaces, etc. as you run grantusr.sql. Keep in mind that this is Oracle database, so the procedure is a bit different on other database types such as SQL Server or IBM DB2. But essentially we're laying down the initial database users such as sadmin, the table owner Siebel, and also the auxiliary users like LDAP user or guest CST. So just enjoy and watch as we enter the highly secure passwords here for all the users of our demo system, including anonymous users, as we say. So grantusr has run successfully. We also send afterwards an alter user command to add unlimited quota on those two table spaces for the Siebel and sadmin user, as has proven beneficial for running the database install. So now it's all about finding the database server configuration wizard. So we all know this wizard. And run the install database operation. So it's a fresh install. We have run grantusr, and we enter the Oracle connect string. This is quite new in Siebel 17, so there will be an ODBC data source generated called Siebel install DSN in the background, so you know no longer need to provide a ODBC data source. The rest is typical configuration wizard work. So you enter the database table owner and password, you enter the Siebel username, and you enter the index table space name and the data table space name. Again, keep in mind this is an installation of Siebel 17 on Oracle Database 12c. So the rest is default, and we're gonna apply immediately. So the next thing we see is the good old Siebel upgrade wizard. And here it is running already, churning away. So again, this is a lengthy process. We have been speeding things up greatly here, so you just get the impression that everything runs as in previous Siebel releases. If you notice that it also enables workspaces, which is a new step in IP17. So now we just check if the database has been created, and we need license keys. So the license key.bat file is located in the Siebel server directory, and it's good to check or edit the batch file to point to the correct Java runtime environment, just in case. And then run the file. So what you get here is a simple utility which prompts you for location of the Siebel server for some binaries, and then entering a username to connect to the database, which has been installed and has a table for the license keys, but none of the license keys are activated if you do a fresh install. So what you're going to do here is provide the necessary login details. So username as admin, platform as Oracle, specify a log folder. And once you click login, you see all the license keys in the table and the active flag. So there's an overwhelming number of license keys. But all you need literally is the base license for Siebel and Siebel tools. So if you locate Siebel base, check the active flag, and Siebel tools, and check the active flag, you should be good to go. So don't go through the exercise of hammering on your keyboard and trying to activate all of them. So, okay, got that settled. So you can click apply. And the changes are made to the database. So now there are at least 2 active license keys, which is